Let's start Lesson 5, the Southern Plateaus of India. Here you will learn about the Southern Plateaus of India, life in the region. Let's read to learn. Southern Plateaus are located towards the south of the northern plain. They are triangular in shape. Let's read to know more about this region. The Southern Plateaus of India. The Southern Plateau is a large, varied and harsh landmass located to the south of moss flower woods and the south-southeast of Redwall Abbey. The surface of this region is rocky and uneven. There are hills on all the sides of the Southern Plateau. The Southern Plateaus are divided into two regions by the Narmada River, Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau. Many rivers flow in this region. On the way, these rivers form beautiful waterfalls. Jog Falls in Karnataka is the highest waterfall in India. Jog Falls. Quick fact. The Southern Plateaus are triangular in shape. Note for the teacher. Discuss with the students about the Southern Plateau region of India. Tell them about the life of the people living in this region. Also, discuss with them about the climate and the food habits of the people. Central Highlands. The Central Highlands are divided into three plateaus: the Deccan Plateau, the Malva Plateau, and the Chota Nagpur Plateau. The Malva Plateau in the west and the Chota Nagpur Plateau in the east are the most important regions of Indian subcontinent and the Central Highlands in India. The Malva Plateau is located in Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. The average altitude of the Malva Plateau is 500 meters and the landscape generally slopes towards the north. The Chambal River and its tributaries drain most of the region, while the Mahi River drains the western part. The Chota Nagpur Plateau is located in eastern India and is one of the central highlands in India, covering much of the Indian states like Jharkhand and adjacent parts of Odisha, Bihar and Chhattisgarh. Its total area is approximately 65,000 square kilometers and is made up of three smaller plateaus, namely Ranchi, Hazaribagh and Kadorma Plateaus. Ranchi Plateau is the largest with an average elevation of 700 meters. Much of the plateau is forested, covered by Chota Nagpur dry deciduous forest. Huge reserves of metal ore and coal have been found in Chota Nagpur Plateau. Kathiawar Peninsula in western Gujarat is surrounded by the Gulf of Kutch and the Gulf of Kambat. The natural vegetation on most of the peninsula is xeric scrub, part of the northwestern thorn scrub forest ecoregion. The Southern Plateaus. Deccan Plateau. The Deccan Plateau is the largest plateau in India, making up most of the southern part of the country. It is a large triangular plateau. Deccan Plateau is surrounded by the Vindhyas to the north and flanked by the eastern and western Ghats. Deccan covers a total area of 1.9 million square kilometers. It is mostly flat with elevations ranging from 300 to 600 meters. The average elevation of the plateau is 2,000 feet above sea level. The surface slopes from 3,000 feet in the west to 1,500 feet in the east. It slopes gently from west to east and gives rise to several peninsular rivers such as Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri and Narmada, which drain into the Bay of Bengal. This region is mostly semi-arid as it lies on the lower side of both Ghats. Much of the Deccan is encompassed by thorn scrub forest scattered with small regions of deciduous broadleaf forest. Life in the region. Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh is also called the heart of India because of its geographical location. It is situated in the central region of India. The state is bordered by different states. To its northeast lies Uttar Pradesh. To its southeast lies Chhattisgarh. To its south lies Maharashtra. To its west lies Gujarat. And to its northwest lies Rajasthan. Its capital is Bhopal, which is also one of the largest cities in India. It is the second biggest state in India based on population and hence it's ranked 6th in India as far as the population is considered. Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh is the 10th largest state in India with an area of 1,35,190 square kilometers. It is one of the fastest developing states in India. Chhattisgarh is carved out of India's largest state, Madhya Pradesh, which spreads over an area of 4,43,000 square kilometers. Raipur is the capital of this state. The newly formed state is richly endowed with natural resources. Chhattisgarh Wildlife Sanctuaries has made it an important destination on the tourism map of India. Chhattisgarh has 3 national parks and 11 wildlife sanctuaries gifted with their unparalleled natural beauty and diverse rich flora and fauna. Indravati National Park is the most famous wildlife sanctuary of the state of Chhattisgarh. People are mainly tribals who speak Hindi and Chhattisgarhi and live harmoniously with each other. They are diligent and hardworking and mainly work in mines and factories situated in the state. Jharkhand. Jharkhand is situated in the eastern part of India. It shares its border with the states of Bihar to the north, Uttar Pradesh and Chhattisgarh to the west, Odisha to the south, and West Bengal to the east. Jharkhand has an area of 79,710 square kilometers. The meaning of the name given to the state Jharkhand is the land of forest. Moreover, the state has rich flora and fauna. Ranchi is the state's prime capital, whereas the largest city for industrial purposes is Jamshedpur. Hindi is the prime language of the state. Munda tribes of Jharkhand. Indravati National Park.
Odisha. Odisha is one of the 29 states of India. It is located in the east of India. It is surrounded by the states of West Bengal to the northeast, Jharkhand to the north, Chhattisgarh to the west and northwest, Telangana to the southwest, and Andhra Pradesh to the south. Odisha is the 9th largest state by area and the 11th largest by population. Oriya is the official and most widely spoken language. The state is an important part of the country with modern infrastructure and facilities. It is also the land of temples, as there are plenty of temples that are beautifully carved and proud testimony to the empires that were established here. The land is also famous for its cultural heritage. The major attraction here is the classical Odissi dance form. Odisha has more than just culture and tradition. The Sun Temple of Konark in Bhubaneswar and Puri has been awarded a World Heritage Site. Quick fact: the name of the state was changed from Orissa to Odisha and its language from Odia to Odia in 2011. The grand festivals of Odisha are the Rath Yatra, Chandan Yatra, Chhatya Parv, Ekamra Utsav, Kalinga Mahotsav, Parab Tribal Festival, Puri Beach Festival, and the Sanana Yatra. Maharashtra. Maharashtra is located in the western part of India. It is the richest state in India. Around 15% of the industrial output of India is contributed by Maharashtra. It is the third largest state of India. Divided into 35 districts, it has cities such as Mumbai as its capital, Pune, Aurangabad, Kolhapur, Solapur, Nagpur, Thane, Jalgaon and Amravati, with places such as Lonavala, Khandala, Matheran, Panchgani, Mahabaleshwar and UNESCO World Heritage Sites of Ajanta and Ellora, Elephanta Caves and Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus. It is one of the most sought after tourist destinations in India. Ellora Caves, Karnataka. Karnataka is one of the well-known states in southwest India. Originally, it was known as State of Mysore but was renamed Karnataka in the year 1973. Bengaluru is the largest city and also the capital of the state. The state is surrounded by Laccadive and Arabian Sea in the west. Odissi dance.
Karnataka is the 9th largest state in India by population. Kannada is the official and extensively spoken language of this state. Konkani, Kodwa, and Tulu are the other native languages of the state that has a history associated with it. Urdu is widely spoken language by the Muslim population. Tibetan, Buddhist, along with the tribes like Yerwas, Siddhis, Todas and Soligas constitute a small number of population of the state. Tibetan Buddhist in Karnataka. Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is the 4th largest state by area and the fifth largest state by population in India. It is a state located in southern India. Hyderabad is the capital of Andhra Pradesh. The city is famous for its rich cultural heritage. Vijayawada bears testimony to the existence of old age Buddhist and Hindu civilizations and historical monuments. Puttaparthi and Tirumala are the two holy religious hubs in the southern area of the state. Andhra Pradesh is quite rich in minerals and holds the second position in the nation in terms of its mineral resources. The important industries in Andhra Pradesh include biotechnology, information technology, business management, pharmaceuticals, and construction and real estate. The official language of the state is Telugu and the co-official language is Urdu. Tirumala in Andhra Pradesh. Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is often referred to as a land of temples. It is one of the most well-known and important states in India. Two water bodies enclose the state on the southern as well as the eastern side, the Indian Ocean and the Bay of Bengal respectively. Tamil is the official and the most widely spoken language in Tamil Nadu. Beautiful coastlines with hundreds of coconut trees, majestic temples, cultural legacy and wildlife sanctuaries have made Tamil Nadu a favorite destination for tourists. Tamils have deep interest in music, dance and literature. Dance forms like Bharatnatyam and various forms of music including Carnatic music have flourished here for centuries. Festivals are a daily feature in this region. Navratra or Dussehra, Deepavali, Kartika and Pongal are the popular festivals.